Spending money on something is really hard if you are not sure that it will ever work for you or not. At that time, you think that it would be better if you could try out the app first and then decide whether you want to purchase it or not. You might be getting the same thoughts while making a purchase of the uMobix app, right? So let's see in this detailed video if uMobix offers a free trial to its users or not. But before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the best spy apps and gadgets recommendations in the future. The answer to your question of whether you can have a free trial of uMobix is no. You can't use the free trial of uMobix before purchasing the service of the app, as uMobix does not provide a trial in the first place. But if you go through our detailed review of uMobix, you will know that uMobix works flawlessly for monitoring the target Android device. All you can do is spend less amount of money on the app while testing it in the first place. You can go for the 1-month plan of the app that costs you $59.99 a month, and to decrease the price of the plan, you can apply the special uMobix coupon that will bring down the price from $59.99 to $29.99 a month. That is 50%. So if you are dedicated to use the uMobix app, you can go to the discount page by accessing the link given in the description below the video. To learn how to use the exclusive discount coupon, you can watch our dedicated video about the uMobix discount. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video updates in the future.